Today we have the pleasure of speaking with Daisuke Okuda, founder of Access Lab, about the pressing challenges in the manufacturing sector and how AI-driven solutions are making a difference. Welcome, Daisuke.
Thank you for having me.
Daisuke, what are the main challenges currently facing the manufacturing industry?
One of the biggest challenges is the workforce shortage. We are seeing a decline in the number of young workers under 34, while the number of older workers, those 65 and above, has stabilized. Additionally, there's a significant issue with skill development. In 2022, 82.8% of manufacturing businesses reported problems with training and developing their workforce, primarily due to a lack of personnel to provide the necessary training.
That sounds like a significant hurdle. How is Access Lab addressing these challenges?
To tackle these issues, we focus on three main strategies: improving efficiency, automating processes, and promoting external collaboration. By leveraging digital transformation and AI, we can enhance productivity, replace manual tasks with automated ones, and facilitate cooperation with external partners. This approach helps to visualize tasks across departments, minimize errors, and ensure everyone in the organization is aligned with the same goals.
Can you give us an example of a digital solution that has been particularly effective?
Certainly, one solution that stands out is Monday.com. Its versatile work operating system allows teams to easily manage projects, workflows, and everyday work. Monday.com provides a centralized platform where all tasks, communications, and tools are integrated, making it easier for teams to collaborate and stay on track. This kind of tool is invaluable for companies looking to streamline their operations and improve productivity.
That's impressive. How do you see the future of Monday.com and AI in manufacturing?
The potential is immense. We can expect even more innovative solutions by combining Monday.com and AI. Examples include IoT with Monday.com enables monitoring and recording logistics and factory equipment data remotely. ChatGo with Monday.com enables AI chatbots for training employees, with records and talent management handled by Monday.com. AR Glass with Monday.com, using AR glasses for shape recognition and instructions to reduce errors in logistics and factory settings.
Thank you, Daisuke, for sharing your insights. AI has a crucial role to play in the future of manufacturing.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing these important topics.